So why do you need to be careful of lien sales on a vehicle? A lot of times the first idea that comes to mind for getting a title for a vehicle is to do a mechanic's lien or a lien sale. And the reason why it may not be exactly what you want to do is evidence in this story. This is from Las Vegas, where some repair shops were charged with getting fake titles for vehicles. And here's exactly what a lien sale is. A lien sale is where a automotive facility is allowed to get a title for a vehicle to pay for bills on a car that somebody brought in for shop. Under a lien sale, a licensed body shop or garage is allowed to conduct an auction of a vehicle to recoup money when a vehicle fails to pay for repairs. The business must follow strict procedures and must sell the vehicle to a third party. What happened here is 3 automotive shop owners, allegedly, this body shop, S&M body shop, Sharp Transmission, they're all arrested for doing fake lien sales. What they would do is they would make up fake repair bills to pretend that the car was brought in for service, and they would sell the car to one of their buddies to get a title, so now the title would be washed. Well, they face up to 20 years in prison and $15,000 fines. This is not the first news story about fake lien sales that you'll see. This has been going on for 15, 20 years. But what happens is the DMV in all 50 states, including Nevada, they know that lien sales are very often used for fake titles. Fraudulent repair orders were used to complete lien sales, even though work was never done. Falsified title requests were sent to DMV in an attempt to obtain legal ownership of the vehicles in the name of one of the defendants, allegedly. So if you have a car that you want to get a title for, unless you are a licensed repair shop and you have signed repair orders from the owner, don't use a lien sale as a shortcut to getting a title. There's many better ways to do it. And if you use a lien sale, expect it's going to be audited. The DMVs in all 50 states carefully audit lien sales because they know that it's a easy method to do title fraud. So they're going to do investigations of the paperwork and of the prior owner and of the repair bills that were submitted. Were they real? Are they made up? The titles can get revoked after the fact. This is another example you've probably seen in other videos where a lien sale on a vehicle has come back to be a legal problem for the people that were involved. Look, if you're a legitimate licensed repair facility and somebody did bring their car in the shop and they didn't pay the bill, go ahead and do a lien sale. Still expect it's going to be audited, and if you did anything wrong with the paperwork, even if it's not fraud, it'll get rejected. But if you are a person who purchased a vehicle, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, from this corner car flipper, and you didn't get a title, don't use a lien sale. There's many other methods you could use that are much better. They're faster, they're cheaper, and they're not making somebody sign for an illegal title that could get you into trouble. So a lien sale is probably your last resort to get a title for a vehicle that's missing proper documentation.